Hi everyone, and welcome to your Take Your Time Delta Module 1 course. When people join the course, it's common that they get a bit confused about where to find everything. So this video is here to help you with that. In your email inbox, you have a link to the Useful Links document. So let's start there. If you ever lose anything, this is the document that will help you to find it again. So make sure you bookmark it. If you're using Chrome, you can click the star at the end of the address bar and choose a folder to save the bookmark in. It's a good idea to keep all of your Module 1 bookmarks in the same place. The Useful Links document also gives you the Zoom link for our sessions. And if you scroll down, it will take you to the course plan. The course plan is where you find all the course dates, plus direct links to all the resources that you need for the course. The syllabus tab shows you what we'll work on each week and gives you links to the documents we use in class. On the right, you can also see the time in your time zone to help you with time changes through the year. The Homework tab gives you all the information you need about suggested work to do after each session. The Date Set column will turn yellow for the week that you need to look at right now. The Exam Practice column shows you what to think about to help you directly with the exam. The Pronunciation column breaks down the pronunciation features we will look at each week. The Language Awareness column gives you different areas of grammar and vocabulary to think about each week. The main area of the homework is the methodology section. Each week you will have a topic to focus on with a menu of things to listen to, watch or read. You're not expected to use all of these resources, but rather to pick and choose the things that you think are most relevant to you. If you're not sure where to start, you can use the prioritization column to help you to choose. While you're using the resources, it's really helpful to have some questions in mind to direct your thinking. So these are in the final column of the Homework tab. There's also some terminology that you can look at if you want to, but don't worry if you don't have time to do this, because the week after the session, you will always get a Quizlet link with definitions and examples for this terminology. The third tab in this document is Ready to Check. This is where you tell your trainer about the work you've done which you need trainer feedback on. Most of the work you do on the course will be self-marking or won't need marking, but this is where you ask us for some feedback. There's one more important place that you need to know about on your course, which is the resources folder. There are two ways to get to this folder quickly. The first is by going to the top of the Homework tab and clicking on the link. Another way to find this folder is by going to the Useful Links document from your email and clicking on the link to the Delta Module 1 resources folder. In that folder, you'll find all the documents you need to complete your homework and to prepare for the exam. There's a numbered folder from 1 to 28 to go with each session's methodology topic. There's also a folder with a number that starts with 0 to help you with the pronunciation, language awareness, and exam practice parts of your homework. Please don't look at the exam practice until you're asked to, as otherwise you might run out of things to do before the exam. This folder also has two important documents in it. There's a homework weekly summary, which you might choose to use to help you keep your notes together from each week. This is a document which I recommend you print a copy of each week and use as a template, but feel free to ignore any of the sections in it. Use it however works best for you. The other document is an exam summary, which I strongly suggest that you print out and have on paper. You'll be asked to add notes or refer to this in every session. So it's really important that you get a printed copy of this. The handwriting practice will also help you to prepare for the exam. There are a few other documents which you can find links to from the Useful Links document, but those are the ones which form the backbone of the course. Please send me a message on WhatsApp if there's anything that you can't find or anything that you're not sure how to use. I know it might be a bit complicated at first, but I promise that you'll get used to it. Everybody always does. Good luck with your course.